All right, now if the cow is there, it'll be open. And we'll have at least 50,000. Look here, let me talk to Black Sam.
Black Sam, she want to talk to you.
Damn!
So what you need?
I need a favor.
Here we go. What else is new?
Come on, Black Sam. After all them cars I done stole for you.
Oh, we going there, huh? All right, check it out. Y'all can roll with that right there.
Nigga, we ain't robbing stagecoaches. I need something I can set it off with.
Oh, y'all ain't bullshitting, huh?
You want them guns we was shooting.
You're tripping. Y'all can't afford them guns.
And that's why it's a favor. I'll bring them back with interest.
With interest, huh? Check this. What's up with hooking me up with your homegirl, Frankie?
Interest. That's it, Sam.
Oh, it's like that. I'm gonna let y'all use my shit, right? But if y'all get caught,
I'm already knowing. You know,
yeah, all right.
I'm coming back for that Uzi, too.
Hey, yo, Bruce, go on and hook him up. Right shit.
All right.